Hello, YouTube fam. I am coming out in the garden, getting ready to harvest a cucumber or two. And probably should have worn my other shoes, but it's so muddy out here. I think there's a leak or something going on. So I got on my other shoes. So let's see. Over here, we're gonna go ahead and harvest that cucumber right there. You see it? That's what I'm gonna go ahead and harvest this morning. So I just went ahead and cut it off the stem. And so this is the first large cucumber that I've harvested. I have some pickling cucumbers over there. And I'm gonna go ahead and harvest those too. But if you can see, we have some more growing right there. Another one right there. And another one right there. And you have to kind of look really good because sometimes it's kind of hard to see what all is going on with your plants. So I'm going to come over here to the tomatoes. They're still growing. I think they can grow some more, so I'm going to leave those there. And I'm going to go back over here and harvest these pickling cucumbers. And I need to grab that tomato. I forgot to grab it. You see what happens if you forget to grab your tomato? It starts to rot at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off. And maybe a few of those green ones off too. And I'll come back and show you guys what I harvested this morning. Alright, y'all. Here's the harvest from the garden. I decided not to harvest the tomatoes out there. I want to let them get a little bit more ripe. But over here we have some collard greens, young collard greens. Here is the cucumber that I went ahead and harvested, our first large cucumber. We have harvested some pickling cucumbers, and here's the pickling cucumber from the garden right there. Over here we have broccoli greens, and these work really good like in your soups and your stews. They're actually really delicious. So I went ahead and harvested those before the bugs eat them up. So yeah, this is the harvest from the garden for right now, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye bye.